Okay, this is a 36-inch dual vertical bandsaw, model 3613-20, serial number 399-81342. It's new in 1981. It's got a DC drive in there, 5 horsepower. That's your table. That's your blade welder, grinder, and shear. Angel's going to run it for you in a minute, but I'm just going to shoot the serial number for you. Okay, I'm going to walk back around. That's your weight power feed system. Okay, we're running. He's dialing it in. That's a rheostat there. He's on the low. He's going to shift from low to high. This is the low gear. The other gear was the high gear. And again, that's your tachometer there. You vary your speed on. That's your blade welder.
There we go.
There you go.
See the black?
Yep.
There we go.
Yep, it's good.
It's working.
All right. And you're all good. Oh, you know what he asked about? He asked about the blade guides. How do we know that?
Blade guide over here?
Blade guide there. Obviously, they're nice. Are there other spots?
Let me see if we have blade guides inside here. No.
No. Okay. You could operate this machine. Right now it's set up as a 2-wheel machine, but you can go for the 3rd wheel here to go to the 436. And you see the tires nice and clean. All right. Thank you for watching the video. You saw the high and the low gear. You saw the blade welder used. You see that everything is complete. Thank you for watching the video.